Singa, jackals and other animals in the forest, but there will be only one lion. And even if it is single, it will be the king of jungle. A lion is always a lion.
In his victory speech, Vijay spoke of a lion and the jackal, the solitary king versus laughing pack. It's a powerful image, but here is the reality check. The lion may be the king, but the wolf never performed in a circus. While the lion roared for the cameras, the wolf ruled through the shadows of the pack. To survive 2026, Vijay must stop playing the lion in the center of the ring and start understanding strategy of the wolf, because in the graveyard of Indian politics, the kingmaker aren't jackal, they are pack of wolf, and their strategy dethrone lion is simple. They don't attack the head, they bleed the body until king collapse from his own weight. May 10, 2026.
See Joseph Vijay Enum Nan. சட்டப்படி அமைக்கப்பெற்ற இந்திய அரசியல் அமைப்பின்பால் உண்மையான நம்பிக்கையும் மாறா பற்றும் கொண்டிருப்பேன் என்றும் இந்திய நாட்டின் ஒப்பில்லாத முழு முதல் ஆட்சியையும் ஒருமையையும் நிலை நிறுத்துவேன் என்றும் தமிழ்நாட்டு அரசின் முதலமைச்சராக
Joseph Vijay stands as a chief minister, but underneath 120 MLA majority lies a trap. This is the story of how lion reached the throne, and the wolf's strategy already in motion to take him down. The man who toppled Tamil Nadu's 60-year Dravidian duopoly. He nearly died politically before vote 1. This isn't a triumph, it's a time bomb. Buckle up. Vijay's long game might just ghost his own throne. Most empire rise on rallies. Rhetoric. Vijay was forged in blood and betrayal. Picture this, September 27, 2025.
Of crowd management in India with this absolutely horrific case in now where 40 lives have been lost after police personnel were unable to handle the swelling of the crowds. 2025 has been a major
24 hours since the tragedy in Karur. But let's be very, very clear. The stampede that took place in Tamil Nadu's Karur wasn't just a tragedy. It was a man-made disaster waiting to happen. Scores of lives, 39, including that of little children as young as 2 years old, has been lost. Families shattered forever, and all of this avoidable if there had been some basic foresight, some basic planning and some basic accountability. Yet as always, fingers are being pointed in every direction, and this while families grieve. And that particular image leaves
crowding
me numb. No
at
matter how
TVK
many
Vijay's
times.
rally, and updates coming in that the tragedy that took place at TVK Vijay's rally has left as many as 20 people dead. This is a rally that took place in Karur in Tamil Nadu, and there was a very dense crowd, and the crowd continued to grow dense, and which is why there was a stampede-like situation, and as many as 20 people are feared dead. Vijay halted his speech and he also asked for police.
A massive tragedy unfolded at TVK Chief Vijay's rally in Tamil Nadu's Karur district, where 39 people, including 10 children and 16 women, were killed in a stampede. Now officials said that 46 people were also injured.
Karur, a 38-degree inferno where 27,000 fans crushed barricade like dominoes, claiming 41 lives, including 9 kids. One blockbuster debut rally turned massacre. 41 lives lost, 9 of them children. In one afternoon, the Thalapathy image didn't just crack, it shattered. Critics called him a danger. For the 3 weeks, Vijay disappeared inside the war room. The data was brutal. 80% of neutral voter now view him as administratively incompetent. Then the anomaly. Indian politics loves deflection, conspiracy, policy failure, enemy sabotage, police failure. Vijay, he won it. No excuses. He visited Karur's grieving families personally, unscripted. From his pocket, 10 lakh per victim. Total 4.1 crore per party disclosure. Plus lifetime scholarship for orphans. No photo ops, raw apologies on local television. Metric flip post-pivot surveys. Competency rating rebounded 45 point. Telepathy's charisma morphed into accountable everyman. He gutted his machine, ditched 70% celebrity-driven rallies for data drills, recruit 5,000 micromanagers via Air Voter app, mirroring app's 2015 Delhi playbook. By March 2026, TVK's ground force swelled to 1.2 lakh volunteer, outrunning DMK's 80,000. The scar became the sword. Crowd chanted not Vijay, the star, but Vijay, the fixer. May 4, 2026. Result detonate like a nuke. TVK Tsunami 108 seats solo. Swept Chennai's Silicon Shield 14 out of 16, including Vijay's Perambur Fortress. And Trichy East upset. Rural Brahmin Dalit Belt flip blue. Urban youth turnout hit 82% for TVK, fueled by anti-corruption TikToks. Dravidian implode DMK to 62 seats. But here, the trap. 108 isn't a majority. Vijay clean break pledge shattered. He swallowed the poison pill. Support letter from 12 Congress MLAs and 2 Indies. Hitting 120, crowds cheered. Insiders shuddered. Forward to today, Vijay has the crown. But to get it, he walked into oldest graveyard in Indian politics. Enter the ghost, the Congress, a serial devourer with 70% digestion rate for its allies. Don't believe the rhetoric. Look at the spreadsheet of broken coalition. (1996) Deve Gowda, backed by Congress outside. Support with 250 MLA, today reduced to only 20. 1997 IK Gujarat, once commanded 190 allies. Today, the JD fragment hold just 1 MP. In 2004, giant Sharad Pawar peaked with 220 MLA in UPA. By 2026, his fraction is down to 41. In 2019, Uddhav Thackeray MVA alliance peak was 154 MLA. After the split, just 20 left. An ultimate warning. Arvind Kejriwal in 2013. He got support from the Congress. In 2050, he held 67-seat fortress in Delhi at peak. Following 2025 losses and 2024 government collapse, his Delhi MLA count is now 0. 100% wipeout. Genius at short term, apocalypse long term. Foresight stat: 83% of razor thin coalition collapsed by 1 year and 6 months. Why Vijay's TVK implode uniquely? Debt trap. Tamil Nadu have 1.2 lakh crore annual interest. Forces austerity Vijay free job pledge. Gutted by IMF style cuts. Congress full support over betrayal. Party fracture. Celebrity re-recruit. Demand birth. Loyalist revolt echoes. Chiranjeevi's Prajarajam. Split in 18 months. 95% vote erosion. The ghost pivot. Vijay silence post oath. Tactical, but the Congress whisper eroded. Eternal poll shows 40% TVK MLAs eyeing defections. History's 92% failure rate for non-dynast CM. Vijay beat it short term, but his game reeks self-sabotage. Fire Forge Vijay. Can he outrun the coalition inferno? Tamil Nadu's nostalgia loop died. Welcome the risk economy, where the ghost rule throne. Prediction. Coalition crack by Diwali 2026 or maybe by June 2027. TVK halt by 2028. History whispers doom. Vijay. He will roar back or vanish. You will call full term of flow test flop. Drop prediction below.